Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unblock someone in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type web.whatsapp.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's simply look at how to unblock someone. In my previous video, I had blocked my friend Greg. Now I want to unblock him. Here's what we can do about it. At the bottom right above your profile, you will find a gear-like icon that is Settings. Simply click on it. And from here, you will be in the settings page. No need to worry, simply hit on the privacy button right here. Well, there are lots of options here like you can see my personal info, disappearing messages and such. At the very bottom, right above it, there's something like blocked contacts. Simply click on it. And then right here is my friend whom I had previously blocked. Do note that if you want to block someone else as well, here is the add blocked contact button. Click on it and add other contacts. Now let's simply try to unblock Greg. Let's just click on Greg's profile name right here and this will pop up. It's gonna ask us for our confirmation whether we actually want to unblock Greg or not. If you don't want to, hit on cancel, but if yes, let's click on unblock. And guys, there you go. That's how we unblock in WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.